In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to remove a Facebook page from your personal account. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Now you will need to click on this drop down and switch to the Facebook page. Once you have switched to the Facebook page, now what you have to do is again navigate to the menu page. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right. Here you're gonna find different section. Head over to the section audience and visibility and navigate to the option page setup. Click on the option page access. Before removing yourself, make sure someone else can manage the page. Here you're gonna find the list of the people who are connected to the Facebook page. Tap add new at the top right, type in the person's name and send them an invite to be a manager. Alternatively, if you don't want the page anymore, you can delete it instead. After adding another manager, find your account in the page access section, tap three dots next to it and select view access. Then choose remove access or remove yourself as admin, and that's it. You have successfully removed your personal account from managing a Facebook page. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.